Yeah. Mesa down.
Home. Can't say we won't find home. I've seen it with my eyes before. They look like yours. Dreams. Who said we can't have a dream when they're made up of everything? Should you believe? And I know there's been pain, but we can't run away. So we do what we do to be strong. In the heart of this town, there's some love going around, and it's just what we need to move on. So we walk, yeah, we walk. Might get easier, might get hard. Still
I got things on my mind like getting away somewhere the sun shines so I can sit in the rays. I see my problems dissolve, the ones I couldn't erase. Next flight out to Mesa, had to book it in case I need to feel them love vibes on Martin Luther King Street. Evolving together like when kings and the queens meet. Mesa town limitless, I ain't talking Brad Coop, I'm talking love, infinite forever like a tattoo. Equality for everyone, these are just our values. Mesa love is spreading, these are things that you can now use. When you with your loved ones, when you with your family, we throwing peace signs for humanity. How can it be? Hate in a place like this, it's impossible. Tackle any obstacles, we turning those to fossil fuel. If ever there's a time that you was feeling down, then you should take a trip to our
So
town.
we walk, yeah, we walk. Might get easier, might get hard. Still we walk. Still we walk. Still we walk. Still we walk. Still we
Throwing peace signs for humanity. You gotta feed the soul, inner peace with the vanity. Lead with divinity, balance and symmetry. If you didn't know, now you know you got a friend in me. Every single person is included, no discrimination. That's just how we do this. A little old school, but you gotta let the new in. Cesar Chavez all way with the illusions. Stood for the people, stood for the rights. Love is the strength, so our hearts hold the fight. Never look away from some love or some light. It's in the Mesa air like a dove or a kite. For the love of MESA, magical ambiance. There's some legendary land that I'm talking on. Respect the ancestors, our brothers and sisters. Cause that's some legendary land that we walking on.
Yeah, we walk. Might get easier, might get hard. Still we
Mesa, I love y'all, man, for real.